What you finna check out in a few seconds is the new prosperity ritual that I will have tomorrow, Tuesday. They're ongoing every Tuesday. So I hope you guys will submit your names to the prosperity ritual that I will be hosting on Tuesday. So take a look now. Start out this ritual, this prosperity ritual that I have on every Tuesday. I'll place my selenite plate that you see here to amplify the energy and to transition our request to the spirit realm. Okay, so the first thing here that I'm going to do is have that there. And then I want the message to definitely be clear of what I would like to receive, which is money. Monetary. That's what I want. The second thing that I would do is place another selenite cylinder here, right here in the center, on top of the money of the monetary thing that I want to receive, that me and my clients would like to receive, those that have submitted their names and paid their fee. We want it to be as direct as possible to spirit, what we want them to bring us, to help us with, to flourish with, you know, as well as putting in our intention, our effort, our work. This is the manifestation of what we want to receive. This is the message that we're sending them. Okay, so we have that. I'll have that step there. My next step is to place in the 4 directions of north. Okay, let me do it. Let me place another one there. North, right there. East, okay, north, east, south, west. Now we want each of the 4 corners of the world. We want to pull from all directions. We want money to flow from all directions of earth, all directions of different planes, all directions. We don't want to miss any. And as I told you before in previous videos that I have shown that the direction matters, we want it to flow to us. I want it to flow to me and to my clients, those that have submitted their names. So we're using the 4 cardinal directions as well. And the next step that I would like to do is to take this, because I definitely want spirit to understand exactly what I want. I'm not really concerned with their how. I know that they know our hearts. They know that we mean well, you know, and we're not picky in how they can transition this money and transmute it to us. So we can have it in different type of coins, different type of money. We don't want to block any type of ways that they want to send it. So this is a representation of them sending it any way that they want to send it. Just long as it turn into abundantly, fast, effortlessly, easily, even if it's us, they giving us different type of ideas of how we can make this money, open those doors, so whatever we do will always be prosperous and abundant. And that's why this one in particular is called the prosperity ritual. So I'll place this in the selenite cylinder, place it there. And then the next thing I'll do is this. This is our message that we want to send to spirit. And this is what we're going to use as the messenger, the fire. So we'll place it there. Okay. And what I have here is all what I'm going to show you guys. I'll do it real quick. Those are the names of the clients that have submitted their names. Once I get to the end, that's when I'll put it back in front of the camera so you guys can see in what direction I'm folding it towards. I'm folding it towards me. I want to bring it and draw it towards me and my clients. So once I get to the end of this, I'm folding it this way. Okay, always in my mind saying my chants and my affirmations, me and my spiritual team, some of my clients, elders in their line, their spiritual guides and everything else is always within the rituals to draw things to me and to them. You know, all of our whole entire spiritual team, our cosmic family and team is here to draw in this money and prosperity where no doors is ever blocked to us. Okay. So the next thing I will do, I will place this here because I want to burn the message. I want to take it to spirit, and I want to send it with the messenger. Okay. So, y'all, I be working. Yes, I be working over here. So the next thing that I want to do to make sure that it is known to spirit that I want these individuals, including myself, to receive prosperity quick and fast and in a hurry. So the next thing I'll do is we're going to light this. Always saying my chants and affirmations as I go. Some of the chants that I say are very ancient. It's some things that Spirit has revealed to me through dreams, astral projection, and things like that. That's why my clients always reveal to me and let me know that they don't know what kind of things that I'm doing, but it is working and drawing in that prosperity to them. Okay? So we want this to burn all the way out, because that's the message that I want to send with the messenger. And we're going to use the tea light as the messenger. Okay, so we're going to let that burn all the way out until the flame. I won't stop saying my affirmations in my head until there is no more light here. And then we'll go for the final step. Momentum is everything, you guys. I constantly do these rituals because we want to keep up the momentum of the energy. It's so much energy out there that's trying to block, that seems to block our money and our financial, especially depending on certain races or creeds and things like that. We need to add a little more extra, and that's why I do these rituals so often. That's the guided message that my spiritual team has guided me to do. You know, build up that momentum. Don't get tired, you know. Don't get to the point of like, oh, I don't feel like doing it. And they know sometimes they got to lift me and help me to actually really, really, you know, get into it and doing it. Final step is to send the message by the messenger through flame to spirit.